Good morning, sleepyhead. Is it time, Mom?
Bark! You promised.
Ah, yes, the expedition. Stay close to me.
I am big too.
Very tall indeed.
That loud metal beast roared at me.
It's just a car.
I roared back.
Mew, it's huge.
It is the park.
I'm gonna conquer it. Mew.
Target acquired. Mew. Attack.
Where did it go? It vanished.
It was too fast this time.
I meant to do that roll. Mom, look! A giant rolling beast!
It's a board!
Stay back! I am dangerous!
It has no legs, little one.
I scared it. Mew. Mew.
Oh, careful.
I am the queen of the rolling wood. Mew! Mew! It's Mew!
Good job, sweetie.
Just hop to the grass. I must ride the beast. I stuck the landing.
I like it.
New enemy. The Crunchies!
Well, just leaves.
I must investigate. Mew. Mew.
Take that.
Are you winning?
I have them surrounded.
Surrender, Leaf.
Show no mercy.
It's tough, Mom.
Mew? Who is that?
A squirrel.
A squirrel. Is he mocking me?
B-O-M-M. A B-O-M.
It's just a...
It fell from the sky.
I got it. I'm dribbling. Mew. Go.
Mew.
It's stuck.
Shiny. Crinkle.
Over there.
You need a bath.
A giant bird.
That bird is bigger than you think.
Mew! It fought back. I just decided to spare him.
My tail is not a toy.
It has a mind of its own. Mew. Nom. I won't let go. You are like a little bird. Oof. Mew. Just a dog. But we give him space.
Yeah, you better run. My mom is here.
You are very brave when he is walking away.
I was charging up my laser eyes. Mew.
Time to head home for dinner.
Dinner?
I could eat a whole tuna, a whale.
Let's start with a bowl of food.
Goodbye, noble steed. We ride at dawn. Mew. Come here.
It's raining sideways.
It's just the fountain mist.
I'm melting.
That feels better. Mom, are we there yet? Can you carry me, please? Mew.
You are getting too big to carry.
But I'm a baby. A tiny baby.
You are a fierce rider. Riders walk. Be gone, bug. I am too tired to squash you.
Leave the beetle alone.
He is lucky today. Very lucky. Home base. Mew.
Almost time for a nap.
And food. Don't forget the food.
I live here now. On the mat.
Inside, silly. Too far. Home sweet home.
It smells like naps.
And dinner. Mew, mew. Feed the beast.
Meow.
I am fading away. Help.